In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Fleecy Web to prevent blisters and rubbing in footwear, as well as creating a very handy toe protector. Fleecy Web is a thin, fleece-lined material that is suitable for stopping common rubbing areas. It comes as a sheet or as a 3-meter roll. Fleecy Web Extra offers a slightly thicker, fluffier alternative for extra protection. Fleecy Web can be stuck directly to the foot over common areas that may irritate in footwear, including over the medial bump of the foot, the back of the heel, under the arch, and particularly around the toes. To create a cover, simply cut a suitable sized piece of material and round off any corner pieces. Using the self-adhesive backing, this can then be stuck to any of the problem sites and creates a low friction barrier between the skin and footwear. Fleecy Web should never be stuck to current blister sites or any broken or damaged skin. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a toe prop to protect the apex of the toes. I'll mark on the third toe as an example of a common area to develop corns, calluses and irritations. First up, we cut a longer strip approximately 1 inch wide. The longer the strip, the thicker the toe prop will be. Once we've removed the backing, we roll the strip into a small cylindrical shape. Then, using a strip of toe dressing gauze, we push the Fleecy Web prop into the netting, leaving a few inches of gauze either side. Wrap this around 2 toes so the prop sits underneath the affected toe. Cut another small piece of Fleecy Web, unpeel the backing and place sticky side up on top of the toes. Cross the excess gauze over the adhesive side and fold the piece to stick to itself. Lastly, trim the excess gauze from the sides and you have a soft felt toe prop that slides easily on and off the toes, lifting the apex of the toes from the floor or shoe contact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos using our other materials.